Welcome to your Ethereum News Roundup. Here's your latest for Friday, August 16th, 2024. OP Labs introduces the Granite network upgrade. A vote to deploy Aave v3 on zk Sync Era goes live. Chainlink launches VRF support on Base. And Base releases a USDC resource kit. All this and more starts right after this message. This episode is sponsored by Firefly, a one-stop Web3 social aggregator developed by Mask Network. Use OneFeed to connect with all users across Twitter, Lens, Farcaster, and all Web3 socials. Try it today at firefly.social. OP Labs proposed the Granite network upgrade, an update aiming to address security vulnerabilities discovered in the network's fault-proof system. The bugs were identified during audits by Sparebit, Cantina, and Code Arena. The upgrade will include Layer 1 smart contract changes and a Layer 2 hard fork to resolve the issues. While user assets are not at risk, OP Labs activated the permissioned fallback mechanism as a precaution. The fallback restricts output proposals to be temporarily handled by the Optimism Foundation. Pending governance approval, the upgrade will go live on September 10th, after which the permissionless system will be restored. Voting is now open on a proposal to deploy Aave v3 on zk Sync Era. If approved, users will be able to deposit USDC, USDT, wrapped Ether, wrapped staked Ether, and zk as collateral to take out loans. Borrowing and flash loan functionalities will also be enabled for the assets. The loan-to-value ratios will range from 71% to 75%, with liquidation thresholds set between 45% and 78%. The ZK token will have an initial supply cap of 18 million, a measure intended to manage risk by limiting the protocol's exposure to highly volatile assets. Aave also plans to support liquidity mining for ZK, offering depositors a variable APY on the protocol. Voting on the proposal closes on Tuesday, August 20th. zk Sync is currently the third largest ZK rollup by total value locked. Chainlink data streams and verifiable random functions are now live on Base, providing developers with access to real-time, low-latency market data and secure random number generation. The tools enhance the scalability and speed of applications. Chainlink VRF is already widely used by Ethereum applications like Pull Together to ensure verifiable random outcomes. Base already supports Chainlink's other products, including CCIP, functions, automation, and proof of reserve. And lastly, Base launched acceptusdc.com, a resource kit designed to help small businesses start accepting USDC on Base for payments. Small businesses can request a We Accept USDC sticker pack and submit their business to be included in a directory featuring all merchants that already support the stablecoin. The initiative highlights that using USDC reduces fraud and chargeback events. In other news, Polygon announces Ag Day, Privy supports native bridging, and Base releases the Base Builder resource kit. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us on X at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.